Busch, Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The Twks 250-10-3 air compressor has a powerful 3-cylinder compressor unit and a 5.5 kilowatt electric motor. The Twks 250-10-3 is an upright compressor from Busch with a capacity of 250 liters and a working pressure of 10 bar. The 3-cylinder compressor unit is powered by a 5.5 kilowatt electric motor with 400 volts. The compressor has a compressor speed of 1,040 revolutions per minute and, at a pressure of 6 bar, an effective delivery rate of 780 liters per minute. The suction capacity is 950 liters per minute. After switching on, the compressor operates in automatic mode, where the motor is controlled by a pressure switch. The half-inch shut-off valve is located below the pressure switch. This directs the full air pressure into your workshop compressed air system. Here, you can see the pressure relief valve on the side of the compressor. The integrated condensation drain tap allows for easy and regular drainage of accumulated water. The compressor is stabilized by a set of dampers on each of its 3 feet. The Twks 250-10-3 is, of course, delivered with an existing test certificate for the boiler. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. Busch, Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.